Yeah, I tried. I got a YouTube video out. Tried it with the YouTube. I tried, I know, for about half an hour trying to do it. And couldn't get it to work. Gave up on it. That is right, yeah. In his chat. What's ballistic mode? It's the new 5v5 first-person shooter game. So like CSGO and Valorant. See, look, Pushcam Dad is making that spot popular now. Have I tried it? No. Do I want to try it? No. I can't do first person shooter 5v5. Benji might come and try it. No. Is that at 2 o'clock? Alright, okay. You can't get stuck by trees now all the time. Okay. It's not really in my favour, man. Oh, it's only 12:30. I'm not expecting kids to be home yet, but this seems more sweaty. Why am I using metal? mainly because I